Hello everyone. Today, I want to tell you about the static version of my sword. Since it doesn't have any electronics, it's easy to scale. In the video, you can see both the 100% and 80% size versions. The static version can be reinforced with a 25mm pipe for the 100% size and a 20mm pipe for the 80% size. As usual, I've prepared files for both large and small printers and for support-free printing. Some parts already include built-in supports that should be removed after printing. Regarding print settings, since we're using a pipe for reinforcement, 10% infill and 2 perimeters are enough to keep the sword strong and lightweight. The first thing I recommend is printing the calibration piece. It's essential for tuning the print to your specific pipe, as the pipe's diameter may not be exactly 25mm. If the calibration piece fits too tightly or doesn't fit at all, try increasing the print scale by 0.5% and test again. Repeat this process until the calibration piece slides onto the pipe with minimal resistance. This final scale should be used for all sword parts. In the video description, I'll include a formula for calculating the correct print scale if you're using a pipe with a different diameter. If you don't plan to use the sword for cosplay and just want to hang it on a wall, you can skip the pipe and print special connectors instead. You'll also need to print 1 chain link without a peg and 11 chain links with pegs. I'll now show you how to assemble everything. As I mentioned earlier, for the 100% scale version, you'll need a pipe with a 25mm diameter and 1 meter in length. This can be a pipe made of any material, but aluminum, carbon fiber, or fiberglass are preferred, as they are relatively lightweight. Before printing the main parts, make sure to print the calibration piece to ensure that the 100% scale works correctly with your pipe and your printer. Or use connectors instead of a pipe. In the video, I won't be using glue since things don't always work out on the first take, but I'll point out the spots where glue should be applied. You can use super glue or plastic adhesive. Slide the blade parts onto the pipe, applying glue only to the edges that join together. Do not apply glue directly to the pipe, as it may set too quickly and cause the pipe to get stuck. Slide the main body onto the pipe and apply glue to the adjoining edges. The handle version for small printers consists of 3 separate parts that need to be glued together, but it's best to assemble them directly on the pipe. Insert the pin connector into the first part of the handle, apply glue to the surface that connects to the main body, and slide the handle onto the pipe. Then glue on the second and third parts of the handle. After that, glue the end cap of the handle in place. Insert the handle cover. It doesn't need to be glued as it locks in place. Glue the decorative side panels onto both sides of the main body. Next, assemble 6 chain elements. The 7th one should be the version without a peg. Glue this chain to the main body. Then assemble the remaining 5 chain elements and glue them to the sword's tip. Glue the beak to the decorative eagle plate, then attach the entire plate to the tip of the sword. Finally, glue the decorative discs to both sides of the sword. That's it, your sword is ready. Thanks for watching. Support my projects by subscribing and leaving a like. You can find all additional information and links in the video description.